Alright y'all, so today we're working with a wig from Luvme hair. This wig, I don't know y'all. It's different. It's this is like a wear and go wig. So this wig already comes pre-curled. It has a bang on it. It's pre-plucked. It's pre-everything. They have a bunch of stuff inside of here. I don't know what this is. This is like some wig tape or something like that for the front. I don't know what that is. A cap and some other stuff. I don't put any of that stuff on. Let's take this out of here so that you can see it. So this is for somebody that likes to wear a bang yang. Pre-curl, highlights, bang yang. Knots is bleached up in here, so it still gives that natural look. And has some combs on the side, elastic band, combs in the inside. Breathable cap, pre-curl, wear and go. So this is one of them wigs you're supposed to just be able to put on and just go. So let's put it on and see what happens. This is like one of those, like, I feel like your mom, when your auntie, or you maybe even like wigs with like bangs and you just want something to wear and go. I don't usually wear bangs because my forehead is short. And so bangs pretty much cover my entire forehead. But we want to do something cute with that or whatever. So this is what it looks like without doing anything to it. Not bad, right? So I love how this is already pre-curled. So you can just pretty much throw it on and go. So let's try to do something with this. So this thing is like on here, like it's on here. And it's highlighted. I think this is like 27 in 1B. First thing we're gonna do is cut it. That's the thing with this. It needs to be cut. Now I'm gonna leave the bangs pretty much like it is, but the rest of it needs to be cut. Now I was going to, one thing about this thing is that you can take it and you can put it up in a little clip and do like that type of look with it. But I'm gonna cut it first and then we're gonna do that type of thing. Let's go ahead and cut it. So like you may like a wig and you may get it and it just may not be customized to your liking. But just customize the wig to your liking. That doesn't mean that it's a bad wig or anything. It's just not customized to your liking. This wig can really do with some layers. But I have to take it off in order to really like cut it in the layers that I would want to cut it in. I just don't know if I feel like doing that. After cutting all these layers in here, got that. So what we want to do, I'm gonna leave this bang yang. We're gonna curl this. See how it curls. So this is what it's looking like. It looks crazy, right? But let me cut this bang some. That's why I don't wear bangs. My forehead is too small. All right, this is what this look like down, y'all. I ain't doing nothing else to it. I really have to put it on a mannequin head and like cut it, because it's hard for me to cut this myself, and I'm looking at my cell phone. But it's a cute wig. It's cute if this is the type of style that you like. If you like these type of styles, it's kind of like 90s type of, you know, vibe. Let me see if I can twist this up into a little thing, and that might make it better. Like this. Put a little clip on here. Got one of these clips right here, and that gives it like that 90s type of, you know, little vibe that we like that. I know we like that type of like messy look like this, right? So that's the cute thing that you can do with this wig. If you don't like it down, you can put it up in a messy little updo like this. Get that rich auntie look. Know what I'm saying? But this, I can rock with this right here. This is one of them. This going to Thanksgiving. Rich auntie to Thanksgiving. It's cute. Let me know if y'all rock it or not. Get it for your auntie, your mom, get it for yourself. You might want to do a photo shoot, get that little rich auntie look, that 90s look, whatever it is. This wig already comes pre-cut, so that's the good thing about it. You don't have to, you can just kind of make it into your own. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about it. Make sure you guys like this channel and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all later.